Hello guys, welcome back to FreshTalk. Today we are going to show you the beautiful views of Tungje village. And again, it is a temporary turning point. It will be the winner, and who can pick up this is Mr. Meretong from Nyanglok Lower. So now he's going to pick up this. We'll see whether he can do it or not. He's doing by Mr. Jeliangbe, and he's from Hangseukiaki village. So we'll see whether he can do it or not. Mr. Jeliangbe from Salu village. Next will be Mr. Teneng from Zailo village. I think so it may not be possible to pick up. Upcoming year. Now Mr. Kaito, now it's your turn. So try your level best. I think it may be possible to pick up because he has a big body. So Mr. Lungmeng, now it's your turn, and he's from Longmang village. Again, Mr. Teong, come. Just want to try again. So, lastly, we'll see. Mr. Pramkobambe, he's from Tungje village. I think he may have experience. Again, this is a beautiful thing. This is made by Forefather. In our language, we call pot. It is made for the purpose of making a local shampoo. These all are the views of Tungje village. Exactly. This way, culture that whenever we live with each other, we yes, that is our culture. Yes, we attack like this. I actually don't know in English, but in my dialect we call this as a longjump. And again, it is made for the purpose of longjump. In my language we call it as here.
Give me this.
See, this is very danger. This is the skin of python. We use this hingbe for making a drum. What is this? This is an umbrella. We use this while walking under the rain.